Hey guys, this is Sahil from alphabetazone.com, and in this video I will show you how to stop harassing, bullying comment and messages on your Instagram. So if somebody is spamming on your profile and you are not able to control it, you can do it by using this feature of Instagram. First you need to open your Instagram app and click on the three-line icon. Now click on setting option. Under setting option you will see that there are lots of options will be given. You need to select the privacy option, and under privacy you need to click on hidden words, and you can see under hidden word you need to click on continue. And now you can see that there are lots of options will be given. If you want to hide a comment, you can click on this. It will hide offensive comments on your Instagram. If you on this feature, advanced commenting filtering, it will off the offensive words on your comment also. And it will if you on this feature, it will hide message request on your Instagram. So, or if you want to add some specific keyword, you need to click on custom words and phrase. And once you click on this, you need to add that phrase which people are adding or bullying with you on your comment and messages. If those keywords are similar, it will Instagram will automatically block those comment or messages on your profile. So that's the way you can stop spamming or bullying comment on your Instagram. I hope this guide was helpful and you will be able to control the uncertain words on your Instagram. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and visit our website alphabetazone.com.